Good day everyone, I'm Maranan from BSIE 2204. So for today, I am going to do our second activity in computer-aided design. I am going to create 6 figures. So now let's get started to create the first figure. So first we will create a circle. Just type C and then enter. And then specify the radius. Say for example 10. Enter. And then next, let's create a line starting from the center of the circle downward with the length of 30. And then the next line, type L, then enter. Then click the midpoint of the line, then to the left, measures 20. Then just connect this line to this endpoint. The next one is create another line. Click here, the endpoint. Here. Now, creating a line again. Type L, then enter. Up to this endpoint, then to the right, with the length of 20. Then just connect this line to this endpoint and here, the midpoint. So that's all for the first figure. Now let's proceed on the second figure. First we will create a hexagon and a circle. First type poly, and then enter for polygon. And then enter the number of sides, which is 6 sides. Press enter, and then specify the center, escape, click, and click inscribe in circle. Just type 20, the radius, enter. So you will need to rotate. In rotating, you need to simply type RO, rotate, then enter, and then click any endpoint. Okay, like this. Next one is we will create a circle. In order for us to create a circle, here, right here, first we need to create a line. To this endpoint. So now we will be able to create the first circle. Just type C, then enter. Then specify the center. My preferred size is 8.6. Just press enter. Okay. The next one is we need to create two circles right here and here. Let me just copy, paste, and put the second circle right here. Another one. And we will trim these lines, the lines inside the circle and this polygon. Type L, then press enter. Or rather type TR for trim, then press enter. Line. Okay. So now we are done with our second figure. Now on to the third one. So first, let's create a line. The horizontal line right here to the right, and then with a length of 30. And another line from the midpoint to 15. And then another line from this end point, just connect it on the other, and then the last line is from here. Just press tab and then type 22.5 each angle, enter. Now we will be using trim. Next is select the triangle and type MI for mirror, then enter. Click this endpoint up to here and then click no. And the next one is select the object and type AR for array and then press enter. As you can see, there are three array types, which is rectangular, path, and polar. What we need is the polar, so click this and then click this endpoint. Just edit the items, make it 8. Now the last step is we need to connect all of the endpoints outside the object or the figure. Start L, then enter. Here enter. After you reach this endpoint. Okay, and that finish our third figure. So now let's move on to the fourth one. First, we need to create a circle. Type CI and press enter. Then specify the center point. Then type the radius, which is for me 20. And then next one is click the object, then type O for offset, and then specify the distance, which is 2, then enter. And just click, just move across here on the inside part of the circle. Just click, then we will create another circle. Type CI again, then press enter. Let's say the radius is 8. Then click this object, type O again for offset. Type the distance, which is 2, and then move again this to the inside part of the circle. Left click. So we need 3 more circles like this one. To make it easier, let's just first select this small circle, then simply copy, then paste, and then paste again the fourth one. So in order for us to attach these 4 circles in the circle, let's create a line from this endpoint up to this one, and then again and then let's create another line starting from the center. With a distance of 20, and then the angle of 45, and then again create a line, type 20, then press tab, and then type 45 degrees. Okay, this one is 135 degrees. Let's type L, enter. Tab 135 degrees. Okay, now let's put line inside the circle so that we can easily attach the circle right on these 4 endpoints. Okay, now let's create a line from here up to the circle, up to the center of the circle, and then with the length, with the radius of 8, and then tab 135 degrees. plus 1. Then press type 8. Press tab. And then our angle is 45 degrees. Again, type 8, then press tab, 45 degrees. Okay, now this one. So now we need to connect the circles. Just type M, then enter, so that we can move the circle up to the end point. So again, the third one, type M and then select the object, then type M. Here and the other one. So now we need to trim these lines. Just like PR. And then press enter. Select these lines. You just have to click the lines you want to trim or to erase, or you just simply drag like this. So now, next we will erase these lines. Okay. Done with the fourth figure. proceed to the sixth and last figure for today's second activity in computer-aided design. So first, type C and then enter for circle and specify the center point. Let's say the radius is 15. And then we're going to use offset. Just type O for offset with the offset distance of 3. Just move, just drag inside the circle. Next step is we are going to create a line. I'm going to trim or erase this side of the circle. PR to enter for trim. Trim these lines. And then we will create lines now with the length of 15. Now for us to easily put lines on this, type O for offset and then specify the offset distance, which is 3. Just click, select this object, here. Okay, now we're going to trim these lines. And then just select the object and then type AR for array, then polar, select this endpoint and then edit the items and make it only 4. Then press enter. Okay. Let's move this figure right here. Okay, so that concludes my second activity in computer-aided design. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's all, and that's all.